Hi everyone, my name is Dimitri,
And my name is Ilani.
and we're here to present to you about the impact of COVID-19 on ozone concentrations in California by county level, at the county level.
And so our research was focused around the question, how has COVID-19 impacted the air quality within California? So specifically, we wanted to see if the ozone concentrations have improved since COVID-19 has started. Specifically, how has the stay-at-home order affected the amount of O3 concentrations? And are the changes in the ozone correlated with the number of cases per county? And so the study area we chose was California, and our data is organized by county. We chose to use California as our study area because California overall as a state has more data available on their air quality. So we would have more access to more sufficient data in that regard. Some background information. The California governor issued their stay-at-home order March 19, 2020. And so to give some time for the stay-at-home order to take effect on the environment, if it does have any effect on it, we compared May of 2019 to May of 2020 in O3 concentrations to see if there is any correlation between that and impact on air quality.
To conduct this experiment, we used the ozone data from the EPA Outdoor Air Quality Center, and we used the 2019 and the 2020 data as Milani mentioned. And we acquired the COVID-19 cases data from PolicyMap website, and then used ArcMap to run used ArcMap to run statistical analysis and to create the maps as well. And so these are our results. The map on the left is the 2019 and the map on the right is the 2020. So you can see some slight change in the ozone concentration. And most of it is, as you can see, in the southeastern kind of in this area. As you can see, the color is going from darker red to lighter for most cases.
And so from that, we compared 2020 ozone data to the number of cases, COVID-19 cases in California. And so just from looking at the maps, so no statistical tests, just from looking at the maps, we noticed that counties with the higher number of COVID cases are the same counties where the O3 concentrations went down. There wasn't much change in concentrations with counties with less COVID cases, which are the blue counties. So those counties had a lot less cases than the southern counties. And so comparing 2019 to 2020 and noticing which counties concentrations went down, we noticed that they're about the same counties that also have a higher number of COVID cases.
So based off looking at the results, this kind of led us to think that counties with higher COVID cases were likely more strict on their stay-at-home orders, and people stayed at home more, and that's why their ozone concentration levels went down. And for Southern California in general is hotter, and usually ozone concentrations are higher in hotter climates. So that could be another reason for the concentrations to be distributed as they are. And then Southern California, something that we found interesting, Southern California also has high agricultural production, and some of the decreases in each county, some of the bigger ones like Kern and Delaware and Fresno, those counties are also very high agricultural counties, and so we affiliate that with no statistical evidence to back it up. We affiliate that with less people going to work, or less agricultural work taking place. And then our project limitations, something that we wanted to test that we didn't get to was testing the NO2 levels as well, similar to how we did in lab 1. However, the NO2 data only went to end of March, and if the stay-at-home order started March 19th, we would not have enough data. And that could also be an issue for how we did the experiment now. As our other limitation is we ran it for 3 months, or even probably less than that, I mean 2.5. And that might not just be enough for a significant change in ozone. And the amount of time we had to work on this project just didn't give us enough time to run some statistical significance tests to see how significant the changes between the maps were as well. So that was another limitation. So yeah, thank you.
And stay healthy.